everyone, it's Melissa from Group Ties. I hope you're having a great day. Today I want to go over how to allow Facebook pages to join your group. Before I do that though, I am just going to move my head over here so that we can access this menu. Now, why would you want to allow a Facebook page to join your group? Couple of reasons. First of all, you might want to let a business check the group out so that they understand the value of your community, particularly if you monetize your group, which I do teach about in your course. So when a business gets to check out the group and interact a little bit, they might be able to see like, hey, my ideal customer might be in that group, so I'm very interested. So that would be kind of like a nice introduction for the business, right? And then another reason you would want them to join if you have advertising and you do monetize your group is you would want to let them know what they're missing out on. So they're missing out on a bunch of customers, in other words. So you want to be able to like draw them in this way. Okay. And then the third reason would be if you do monetize your group and you do offer some sort of options where they can interact with your group or advertise their company, of course, you'd want to be able to let them in, right? So here's how to make sure that pages can join your group. So you're going to go to your group, obviously, and open up the side menu by clicking on that little icon right here. And when you scroll down, you're going to go to settings and then group settings. So click on that. And, you can see your typical stuff, set up the group, customize the group. You're going to go down to manage membership. And you're going to click on who can join the group. And you can see right now in this group, I only let profiles join the group. That means a personal profile. So click at it there and you just change it to profiles and pages. Don't forget to click save. If you don't click save, it's not going to change it. See? So now it's saved. Now you can see that profiles and pages can ask to join my group. And then, of course, you have to let them in the regular way that you approve membership into your group, just like it's a regular person and they have to answer all the questions and everything else. It's just like a regular profile. But that's a super quick way of how to do it. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about monetizing a group, that means making money from a Facebook group. Check out my website, groupties.com. I teach you how to connect a website to a Facebook group and create a business. So check it out. I have a lot of freebies and I have a course. Again, it's groupties.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope that is helpful. Have a wonderful day and happy Facebooking.